So, hi traders, in today's video I will talk about what is an expert advisor and EA and how to trade with it. So, let's do it. So, an expert advisor is basically a small algorithm that trades and execute trades instead of you. So, if you would look at the charts all day long, 24/7, you would catch all the trades you want. But you have to sleep, you have to have social life, you have to make love, so you can't trade all day. That's why you want to use an expert advisor, an EA, a small piece of algorithm that will trade instead of you. An expert advisor should have an entry and an exit strategy. So don't ever buy or use or create an expert advisor, a robot, that does not have a entry and exit strategy and a stop loss, because without stop loss an EA is just bullshit, because that will lose all your money. So keep that in mind. So the most frequently used platform to run EA's expert advisors robots is MT4, MetaTrader 4, that allows its users to run EAs that trades instead of them. And what it does is basically use your computer power to execute trades automatically and analyze the patterns that you want to trade with the robot. As you know, I am a Forex trader and also a programmer. So I developed over 100 EAs for clients over the years. And there were some clients that didn't know what an expert advisor is or how it works, what it does. They just wanted a piece of algorithm that will trade instead of them. And now I will tell you what to expect from an expert advisor and what are the differences between the files you will get when you order one. So the first case is you get an MQ4 file, which is basically the source code of the EA. What means that you just have to double click on the file and it will install itself to your MT4 platform. The second case is if you get an EX4 file, which is a bit different, and I saw a lot of traders didn't even know what it is and they try to open it. So when you get an EX4 file, don't try to open it because you don't have to. So now I will tell you what you should do when you get an EX4 file, which is basically an encrypted expert advisor, which you can use. The source code is just encrypted. So the first step is open MT4. Click on File, click on Open Data Folder, click on MQL4 and click on the Experts folder. Then just copy the EX4 file to that root folder and restart MT4 and it will be there in the platform. I know I just told this information to you quickly, but I will upload a PDF file to my webpage and you can download it and read it how to install an EX4 file. So the last thing is, when you trade with an automated program, an expert advisor, you should always leave your computer open to trade with the EA. If you don't want your computer to be open all the time, you have to buy what's called a VPS, a virtual server. And that way, basically, you don't have to open your computer and your robot will just trade itself. I use this system and it really works for me, so I can recommend it to you too. I wish you the best. Ciao.